My dear student, welcome to my very special search engine optimization course. My name is Tom. I have helped more than 100,000 students on Udemy, and I have created a very special course for beginners, for business owners, and for people that wish to succeed with search engine optimization and local search engine optimization really fast and fun and very practical. So I have created special course that consists of animated videos, quizzes, and very special templates how to create content, how to outreach for backlinks, how to set up Google My Business, how to use TripAdvisor, and I have condensed it the way that you will really enjoy it and you can progress very fast. So I'm sure you will love this course very much. Please welcome. I am so happy to welcome you as my new student.